So the first problem sum, it says here, write the formula and the volume of each right circular cylinder expressed in terms of pi. So what does it mean? So meaning you don't need to give the value, the exact value of pi, okay? In which case, in our school, we are taught approximately the value of pi is 3.14. But in this case, you don't need to express the entire value of it, okay? Meaning you just leave it as it is, the pi, okay? Now, okay, cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is actually just the area of a circle multiplied by the height of the cylinder. Okay, what's the area of a circle? The area of a circle, talking about formula, that is pi r squared, in which r here represents the radius of the circle. Okay, and then multiply it by the height. Get it? Huh? So if you have a cylinder, let me draw it for you. Okay, for example, we have a cylinder. If you have a cylinder, this part here is actually the circle, right? This circle has a radius, so, and this is the height. This one. So to solve for the value of the entire geometric figure, and in this case, which is the cylinder, so that is just actually the area of the circle multiplied by the height, or pi r squared h. Okay. Now in our particular example is radius is given, which is r equals to 24 meters, and the height is what?
4.
4. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So therefore, the volume, to solve for the volume, it is just pi radius, which happens to be 24 meters, square that one. Get it?
Yes,
and then times the height. Height is 4 meters. Okay. Get it, Sam?
Yes,
okay. So therefore, volume is equals to pi. Okay. Give me the square of 24.
576.
Okay, you have 576. This time the unit is no longer m but m square. Okay? M square connotes an area. Okay? And then multiply it by the height, which is 4. Okay. And this time we are obliged to multiply 576 by 4. So try 576 by 4. What do you get?
2,304.
How much?
2,304.
That's 2,304 pi, because it says here expressed in terms of pi. So meaning, let's leave pi as it is. M, what's the unit?
3 cube.
Okay, that's the volume. When you talk about volume, the unit is always expressed in terms of cube. Okay?
Yes,
Understood, Sam?
Yes, Tito.